Welcome to our comprehensive guide on building a successful Botox business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing practice, these expert tips will set you on the path to success. The first step in building a successful Botox business is laying a strong foundation. Begin by clearly defining your target audience. Who are your ideal clients? What are their specific needs and concerns? Understanding this will help you tailor your services effectively. Next, choose the right location for your practice. Consider factors like accessibility, parking availability, and the level of competition in the area. A convenient and welcoming location can significantly impact your client base. Investing in high-quality equipment and supplies is crucial. Choose products and tools that meet the expectations of your target audience, ensuring safety and satisfaction with every treatment. Creating a compelling brand identity is essential for standing out in the competitive Botox industry. Your brand should reflect your expertise and values, resonating with your target audience. Utilize social media and online marketing to engage with your audience. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are powerful tools for driving traffic to your practice and showcasing your expertise. Offer valuable content through informative blog posts, videos, and social media updates. Sharing your knowledge builds trust and credibility, positioning you as an authority in the field. Understanding the pricing landscape in your local market is key to setting competitive rates. Research your competitors to ensure your pricing is both attractive and profitable. Offer a range of services and packages to cater to different client needs and budgets. Highlight the value of your services by emphasizing the benefits and results clients can expect. Exceptional customer service is the cornerstone of client retention. Treat your clients with respect, empathy, and attentiveness to enhance their experience. Build strong relationships by getting to know your clients and understanding their concerns. Provide personalized care that makes them feel valued and appreciated. Implement loyalty programs to reward repeat customers and encourage referrals. This not only strengthens client relationships, but also helps grow your client base. As your practice grows, consider expanding your services to include complementary treatments. This broadens your client base and increases revenue potential. Invest in staff training and development to ensure your team is equipped with the latest skills and knowledge. A well-trained team delivers high-quality care and enhances client satisfaction. Stay informed about industry trends and advancements. Keeping up with the latest innovations ensures your practice remains competitive and forward-thinking. By following these expert tips, you can build a successful Botox business that stands out in the competitive aesthetic industry. Embrace innovation, focus on quality, and cultivate strong client relationships to achieve lasting success.